English Arabic past. I was.
كنت.
Welcome. Hey you, ready to time travel your Arabic? Let's make the past tense fun and unforgettable. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart shortcut to speaking. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for extra drills, printables, and free audio. Today we'll master the past of to be, and yes, there will be laughs, mini challenges, and tiny dramatic pauses. Your goal today. In the next minutes, you'll lock in 8 key forms. Keep your ears smiling and your thumb pointed to the past. We'll nail these. I was.
كنت.
You, SG. Mask, were.
كنت.
He was.
كان.
She was.
كانت.
It was.
كان.
We were.
كنا.
You, plural, were.
كنتم.
They were.
كانوا.
Forms in a flash. Repeat after me, short, punchy, and powerful. I was.
كنت.
You were, SG. Mask.
كنت.
He was.
كان.
She was.
كانت.
It was.
كان.
We were.
كنا.
You were, plural.
كنتم.
They were.
كانوا.
Mini dialogue. Listen in, then shadow the Arabic lines. You've got this. A. Where were you at 8? B. I was at the library.
كنت في المكتبة.
A. Were they late? B. Yes, they were late.
كانوا متأخرين.
A. How was the weather? B. It was sunny.
كان مشمسا.
A. And your sister? B. She was happy.
كانت سعيدة.
A. Be honest, coach, how were we? Coach, you, plural, were awesome.
كنتم رائعين.
A. Talking to you, my friend, you, SG, were right.
كنت على حق.
Rhythm drill. Call and response. Say the English, hit the Arabic after the pause. We were ready. Answer.
كنا مستعدين.
I was at home yesterday. Answer.
كنت في البيت بالأمس.
It was quiet. Answer.
كان هادئا.
You were, SG. Mask, early. Answer.
كنت مبكرا.
You were, plural, the best. Answer.
كنتم الأفضل.
They were hungry. Answer.
كانوا جائعين.
Culture tip. A tiny tale and a tiny trick for memory. Arabic stories often begin with, once upon a time.
كان يا ما كان.
Remember, in present tense Arabic, to be, is often dropped, e.g., she is happy, equals just, she happy, but in the past you use kana forms. She was happy.
كانت سعيدة.
Bonus negatives. I was not.
لم أكن.
He was not.
لم يكن.
Quiz time. Quick check, answer after the pause, then confirm. Q1. Say, he was. A.
كان.
Q2. Say, she was. A.
كانت.
Q3. Say, we were. A.
كنا.
Q4. Say, you were, to one male friend. A.
كنت.
Q5. Say, you were, to a group. A.
كنتم.
Q6. Say, they were. A.
كانوا.
Q7. Translate, it was cold. A.
كان بارداً.
The all-in challenge. Now flex all forms in one playful story. You're the director. Model. Yesterday at the park, I was happy.
كنت سعيداً.
You, SG, were late.
كنت متأخراً.
She was ready.
كانت جاهزة.
He was calm.
كان هادئاً.
It was sunny.
كان مشمساً.
We were hungry.
كنا جائعين.
You, plural, were awesome.
كنتم رائعين.
And they were there.
كانوا هناك.
Now craft yours and perform it with drama. Wrap up. High five. You just mastered the past of to be. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these forms in short diary lines every night, one line per day starting with
كنت. كنا.
or.
كان.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, quizzes, and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.